Alright, so me and my boys were just chilling out here, having a nice conversation, when we heard these strange noises. We didn't know where it was coming from, but when we came outside, it was coming from the sky. Now, I don't really know what's going on, but there could only be three logical reasons for this noise. One, it's this cloaked alien ship. It's come to check on us, or just either destroy us. Two, the Earth's core, at this very moment, is fucking exploding. Right now, coming up from the ground, man. Or three, the most logical reason, it has to be, it's the truth, right? It's the trumpets of God, man. The trumpets of God, man, you know? It's brooding, man. And now the clouds. And look at this catastrophic... Oh, shh. Listen. The noises, man. Holy shit, man. Holy shit, man. It's 2012. It's real. Oh, man. Holy shit. Alright. So. Oh, shit!